Right, are we ready then to revolutionise air travel?
The worst bit about every working day is about to get better.
Let's do this.
It is very lovely.
Geniet van deze rondvaart. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this global redirect train. During this cruise, we will show you the city of water, its fabulous sights. Enjoy this beautiful cruise.
And the old Dutch city of Breukelen is also mentioned. The district of Brooklyn is called after it. Now we are sailing on what we call the open harbor. On the right hand side it used to be the coastline of Amsterdam. The water we are on now, as all the buildings on the left, it used to be sea. There was a sea arm coming inland and that was connecting Amsterdam with the sea. To explain this well, picture yourself the map of the Netherlands. In the middle there's a large body of water. And that used to be the sea arm coming inland. At the bottom of that water there you can find Amsterdam. Nowadays though, the new situation, the two top parts of the Netherlands are joined together with the big enclosure dike. And now here the water is fresh and there is no longer a high tide or a low tide. And Amsterdam has less chance of flooding. It's also very nice. You need to have the permission to park the boat there. There's one bank providing mortgages for these houseboats, and you can't pay it back in the normal 30 years, but you have to do it because it is a boat in 20 years. The ground here is very wet. It's basically like a swamp. If you want to build anything here, you need to put it on a proper foundation. Problem is, the houses here are all very old, and they're all standing on very old wooden pillars. The groundwater, it will go up and down, and that movement causes the old pillars to come into contact with the oxygen, and then the pillars will start to rot. If they would simply stay in the water, it would not be the problem. Every house and every building you will see in Amsterdam is built on dozens of these wooden pillars. So imagine if you would flip Amsterdam upside down. You have quite a big forest. And I said, when the groundwater starts to mess around with the poles, they will start to rot, and then they lean over. This is what's happening in Amsterdam.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I heard about that. Yeah, the houses they were built on sagging soil.
Bit like Venice's.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the right hand side is a small canal. Have a look. Soon as you see the drawbridge and the church at the same time, you are actually looking at a painting of Claude Monet. He made a painting of this very view. And if you take a picture, well, then you have a free Monet at home. Find back in one corner of the room.
That's the Irish pub.
Wow. Huh. Oh, sorry.
It's a very narrow bridge, that is why it's the nickname. It's quite simple. Otherwise the IKEA can be quite the option.
This is bike.